In this video you are going to learn how to swap it. This is the Captain America photo and this is my photo. Who want to be the next Captain America? To get started, take the lasso tool and select the face. Press Ctrl and C to copy it. Go to the main photo and press Ctrl and V. Then press Ctrl and T and match its size to Captain America face. To see the under layer and match the size accurately, decrease the opacity and match the face size. When you are satisfied, press enter and increase the opacity back to 100. Remove some of the extra parts of the face. You just need to have only eyes, nose and lips. Press Ctrl and click on the layer icon to select the face. Now unlock the background photo, click on the layer. Go to select, modify and choose contrast. Contrast it by 3 and press OK. Now select both of the layers by holding shift. Go to edit and choose auto blend layers. Select the panorama or stack image, both of them will give you the same result. Press OK. This is the result. Press Ctrl and D to deselect the selection. This is the next hero. If you want to be the next hero, you just have to click on that like and subscribe button.